Very good afternoon, youth. This is once again Commander Sudhir Kumar at my YouTube channel Pulse Beat of India. Yesterday I discussed the first part 1 where I did ask 10 questions which is most relevant, which every youth must ask himself or herself if you want to be successful in life. Before I take up these questions one by one and I answer why they are most relevant for you, I will discuss the four most important qualities a leader must have. Why I am insisting on this? If a person is not leader, he has to develop these leadership qualities. It is not important that in what qualification you are. It is not important that you can't be a leader when you are in your business or you are in a social service or you are in community. The leadership qualities are there in each and every person. So as a youth, I will talk about the first four most important qualities which a capable youth must imbibe. He must develop these qualities, and the first of all is courage. Courage of conviction. The courage of conviction is very important in life to take certain decisions. That you have to be very careful that what decisions you take in life, how you nurture them, and how you address them. And this courage of conviction comes that you have to do a lot of preparation towards it. The courage of conviction comes when you are prepared yourself, when you are having a very sound mind, where you are having a sound health, and you are having a social relationship. You build up a very positive relationship with all, and then you prepare yourself with the hard work, and then this courage of conviction comes into you that what I am going to do in my life, it is going to keep me focused, it is going to keep me on track towards my goal so that I achieve success, what I desire in life. So that's what the first quality which is very important for a youth is courage. Now coming to the second quality. Second quality is humility. You know what is the humility? Normally we youth are arrogant in nature. You feel that you are very intelligent. Sometimes you feel you are not at all intelligent. Sometimes you feel that any other person who is just opposite you, he does not know anything. You try to ignore their opinion. You try to bypass their decisions. In your team, you might be having people among your friends, you might be thinking that you are the most intelligent. You might be thinking you are the most smart person, but that is very bad. You have to give complete respect to the person who is opposite to you in your friend circle, in your relationship, in society everywhere. And it is not by virtue of a person who is rich or who is putting on very good clothes, who is enjoying a status in society, you respect him only. No, every one person, irrespective of his financial income, irrespective of his clothes, and this thing you have to admire the other person's wisdom. Consider them, they are equal citizens. Consider them, they are the human being made by the same God. They deserve, sometime what happened, he is not that lucky the way you are lucky to get good qualifications, to get good job, to enjoy the status in society, you are driving the best cars, you are going to the best of hotels, but you come across a rickshaw puller or you come across a security guard and you feel that person is nothing. No, it is very bad. So humility is that you develop the respect for others, you respect their point of view, and you carry forward them along with you in the same equal importance what you think about yourself. That is very, very important. Now, all these both qualities you can imbibe only when you are disciplined. Discipline is most important in life, and especially for the youth. That if you don't get up at time, if you don't do the exercise at a proper time, if you don't discipline your food habits, if you don't discipline your study hours, if you don't discipline your sleeping hours, the finally you get tired. You are not able to enjoy what you want to enjoy in life. You are not able to do what you want to achieve. You might be thinking so many things in your mind, but you feel that you are getting exhausted. You feel that you are not able to reach that point, and that comes if you are not disciplined. So very important, all the characteristics which and other two qualities which I discussed before discipline, a youth must be disciplined. And when you are complete discipline, automatically you imbibe one quality which makes you leader. Now coming to after discipline, once you understand the importance of discipline, then the fourth quality is adaptability. What happens in this life that you every day you see the sun is rising in east and it is getting set on the west. You can't change anything. If something has to happen in this world, it happens. Technologies are changing, the lives are changing, new things are coming in. You feel that you are facing problems. No, everyone on this earth has got the problem. Everyone has challenges. And as a youth, you have to take them in your stride. You can't change others. Remember it. You can change yourself. You can change yourself if you adapt to that situation. If you take it, like COVID-19 came in and the people, those were getting scared, those were not preparing for it, for this, if those were not building up immunity against it, those were not using masks and sanitization or washing of hands quite frequently, they got contaminated. They were hit by this pandemic. The same way everywhere in life, you have to adapt yourself, because the environment where you are being brought up, you might be very protective. But when you walk out, when you make a career yourself, when you make a life for yourself, if you are thinking to achieve something in your life, you have to make yourself adaptable. Adaptable means change with time, change with the environment, change in your surroundings what is required. The man is known, or a woman is known, or a person is known by his actions. It is not, you might be thinking that you are very intelligent, you are very good, you are very smart. You might be having all these things in your mind. You might be thinking you are extra brilliant. No. In society, among your friend circle, you are seen, you are judged by your actions. And your actions can become very meaningful to others if you change, adapt yourself, if you understand that what is needed of you, so that you are able to react to the others' emotions in a right way, then you will be a successful leader, you will become a successful professional. So these are the four qualities. Once again, I'll repeat them. The first of all is courage, courage of conviction. You have to have, then you have to develop in you, in your personality, that is humility, and then you have to be disciplined youth, and then comes to that you have to adapt yourself. Your personality must have the adaptability. And after this, now I am going to cover these 10 questions again, which I discussed in my video, which was recorded at my YouTube channel, that is the Pulse Beat of India, yesterday. And the first question is, are you looking to boost your morale or take out your suppressed feelings or thoughts? You will get that answer once you develop the four qualities which I have talked about. Automatically you get an answer to that question. The second thing is, do you want to develop a resilient self-confidence in you? Once again, if you imbibe these four qualities which I discussed, you get that an answer. And all these 10 questions, like third one, would you like to have an energy so that keeps you pushing ahead in this competitive world or VUCA world? VUCA world is like vulnerable, uncertain, complex and ambiguous world, because you are adapting yourself, you are not having any challenge, you are not having any problem, because you are adapting constantly yourself, you are preparing yourself to face this VUCA world. Then the next question was, do you want to focus towards the goals you have towards yourself? I am sure if you imbibe these four qualities, automatically you develop that quality that you are able to achieve your goals. And secondly, if you are having that passion, the passion comes in if you are having discipline, if you enjoy what you want to do, you want to do that because you are having the courage of conviction, yes, this is good for you, then automatically you don't get tired, you have got energy in abundance, and you are always bubbling with extra energy to do more work. And even when you finish off your day, you feel that you are not tired, because you have enjoyed your entire day, because you enjoy every moment of yours, what you do. So that is automatically comes. Now you are having a passion, what you want to do in life, that is very important. You enjoy the most what you do each day, and then you set your objectives, small objective towards the lifelong goal. What is an ultimate goal of your life? So that question is also answered in this. Then the most important thing comes in, that you want to be a leader or you want to be a follower. I am sure everyone wants to be a leader, and I have already told the four most important qualities as a leader, as a youth leader, or later on in your life if you want to be leader. If you want to be a successful person, then you have to have these qualities, and then it pushes you towards to achieve your ultimate goal in your life. And then the last question which is there, what you want to prove to yourself, in your surroundings and to this world. Again, answer is that if you imbibe these four qualities, automatically these questions are answered, and you are able to prove yourself most honestly, most competently, in time, in a disciplined way, as a focused youth. So this is the part 2 towards my youth empowerment at my channel Pulse Beat of India, till I come up with the next session, that is the part 3. Jai Hind.